I wanted to come up with original story ideas for my comics, but when I tried, I quickly realized it's too hard. Also a waste of time. So I do this instead. Open up your Bible to Proverbs. Now you have 800 plus meaningful story ideas just from one book. Let me show you. Let's use chapter 1 verses 8 to 19 for example. It's a warning against people who want to sin just for the giggles. The example here is an extreme. These friends want you to join in their plan to kill so that they can gain riches. But you're warned to stay away from them. Nothing but bad happens when you go after ill-gotten gain. So this is what I do. First, I think, what kind of story can I tell that delivers that message? What if it was a story about a band of pirates? Who would they conspire to kill? Why this person? What kind of gain are they after? What terrible misfortune is going to come their way as a result of their wickedness? Will the main character realize that what their crewmates are doing is evil and refuse to go down that path? If he or she does, how will they figure it out? Don't like pirates? How about astronauts instead? Martial artists, mages, animals, pop stars, teens with attitudes. You can switch it up for anything you think the reader would like. That's already like a bajillion story ideas just from 3 verses. Let's do one more proverb at random. Proverbs 29 verse 22. What story can you tell about a person whose temper gets the better of them so much that they end up causing irredeemable damage to them and the people around them? Who is that person? A parent? A race car driver? A musician? An aspiring hero? What's the setting? Is it the year 3025 on a space colony? Present-day Australia? An alternate dimension? A child's birthday party in 3rd century Mongolia? What kind of problems does this hot-tempered person cause? Is someone hospitalized? Do they or someone else lose a job? Is something destroyed? Does a relationship end? Do demons escape? There's a Googleplex more story ideas there for you. Thanks for watching and God bless.